Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a really big haul. I went to two Walmarts today. If you've been living under a rock, it's news that Walmart's Christmas went 90% off. And this is a really big haul. Only one little thing I bought didn't ring up 90, but everything else did. So we're just going to go through it. A lot of this is for projects that I'm doing next year. And then for our Christmas, my husband comes from a really large family. So for the nieces and nephews, we're ready next year. And then just a whole lot of interesting things I found, including some hidden clearance, like these found in the automotive section for 39 cents. So just a lot of really cool things. We're going to go through it one by one and where I found them in the store. There's still a lot to be found. So we're just going to go through this piece by piece and let's get right into it. This is kind of like hidden 90%. So in the automotive section, look for these end caps or go to the regular aisle where they have all these different air care. These are 39 cents and it has to be this specific look. Even with the UPC, it'll probably be full price at your store, but these two are ringing up 39 cents, which is a fabulous price. Also, these movie ones, 29 cents. We have A Christmas Story and Elf. I do like the Christmas Story one. And then by Tree Hut, shout out to everybody in Watertown, New York. We have this little friend for 29 cents and it's a little 3-pack in the scent Let It Snow. And there's another one that's red, also a similar motif, but I did not find it. This is the one little error I had in my haul. These rang up for $1.24 and I don't think that's the 90% off price. They're just really adorable. So I mean, maybe I can go to customer service later in the week. I kind of don't want to, but $1.24 for 4 of them. It's 33 cents each. This guy or this lady was 90% off. It is the Elf My Life doll. So it's $4.99. Original price, I think it was $50. What a find. I didn't find any Legos or anything like that, but I did find this girl. And then I noticed that a lot of the soft soap, Dub, Method, anything that's Christmassy, it's like like $1 and some change off. So now these soaps are $2.50, but nothing hit 90, which is really, really weird this year. In the regular aisle with all of the different cards and stuff, we have these adorable Christmas teddy bears, and they're so soft by Hallmark. I don't know if this snowman knee hugger will come alive in the middle of the night. I have a friend who collects them, 81 cents. And then these really large plates that say Happy Holiday for 29 cents. And then I found some Hello Kitty napkins. These were also 29 cents. And we have this vintage looking Merry Christmas, wishing you a Merry Christmas, 36 cents. Very, very adorable. I'm not too sure about some of these little ornaments that I bought. I always feel that way. And then the next year, I always love them when I see them. 36 for these 4. They're very cute. This one, Santa Claus is coming to town. I don't like that print of Santa. I think it's weird. Maybe I can paint over it and do something else, although I'm not very crafty. 61 cents for that Pillsbury Doughboy and the Coors Banquet. I think these are both really, really cute. And it was the same price for this little Pac-Man. We have a family friend. I know he's going to love it. I was running low on these hooks, so I was delighted to pay 9 cents. This is so much cheaper than the Dollar General quarter event for items like this. And also, like those weird Santas on the left-hand side. I'm not sure about that, but that blue Santa, I have a friend. I know she's going to love it for a gift next year. 70 cents for these Mr. Christmas, like it's a little dish to put things on. That is so, so cute. This is probably my favorite find. It's a container that you can put a gift in, and it's shaped like a Christmas tree for 50 cents. Oh my gosh. And this little pack of ribbon for 50 cents, very girly and cute. So I'm liking that. And different gift wraps. Initially, I only found the ones with tape cassettes. And then I found the ones with the vintage looking Santas. And I'm like, that's the winner. I have a brother-in-law who's going to love this Christmas ornament. So $1.29. I'm ready for White Elephant next year. And this little friend, $1.79. It's 4 feet tall. It's one of those inflatables. I couldn't leave it at the store. So, so cute. And these little peppermints on a stick, I bought 3 sets of them. Somebody put them where the dishes were, and I just picked them up. I got a bunch of these stockings. I make a lot of stockings for my nieces and nephews. My husband comes from a really large family. Happy for that price. and the little Hello Kitty nail polishes for 25 cents. Very, very mindful of my budget. Today I think I only spent maybe 60 bucks, but all this stuff is going to be put to good use for next year. Adorable little bags, Meowie Christmas, and wonderful journals. Very happy to find a bunch of these. That's it for this video, guys. Good luck at Walmart. Go and check that automotive section for that air care. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.